The first step is that you're going to take your tracing vellum, and here I'm going to use a graphite stick. The graphite stick is pure graphite. This particular one is a 2B. I recommend the 2B because it's soft and it has 4 sides square. So I'm going to place one of the square edges down and I'm going to work in a circular motion to very quickly cover the surface of the tracing vellum. By working in the circular motion, it helps me to get an even coverage. Once I've gotten the coverage, you can see that there's a bit of dust on the top. And one of the things that I'm going to do to eliminate that dust is I'm going to take a paper towel. I usually use Bounty. I take the paper towel and I'm going to buff it into the surface of the paper. This means that I'm actually trying to not wipe it up, but I'm actually trying to press it into the paper. This minimizes the dust, and it also helps to get the graphite into the surface texture of the tracing vellum. After I do this, you can see that a lot of the graphite has come up, and it may be a little paler than you want. You can go back and you do a second layer, and again, buff it with the paper towel and get it as even as possible. In order to further minimize dust and to take the graphite and get it to stay affixed to the tracing vellum, I'm going to use rubbing alcohol. I use the isopropyl rubbing alcohol on the clean piece of paper towel, just a few drops, and again, working in a circular motion, I'm pressing the rubbing alcohol into the paper to get a light coating. This dries almost immediately, and then you're ready to use your new piece of transfer paper. Now you can use the graphite stick. You can also use like a 2B pencil, or you can use graphite dust if you want to purchase that. This particular, you can see the difference here. On this one, I used a pencil, and the lines are a lot more noticeable. There's a little bit more of a texture than what I got when I used the stick. Now, one of the things that you may want to do is you may want to put a little check mark or something up on the top in the corner. This way it'll allow you to know which is the top side and the bottom side of this.